This is manipulation of the small bowel as well as the root of the mesentery. To remind, the anatomy is such that the mesenteric root is at a 45-degree angle, somewhere between the ASIS and the umbilicus. The root is probably most consistent with the Chapman point for the renal Chapman area, 1 inch over from the umbilicus and 1 inch up. And we need to get into a parallel line with that with our hands. So again, a very gentle technique. We should not be inducing any discomfort or pain. And we are going to slowly, in this line, let our fingers sink in. On the descending colon will be lateral to our hands, and the small bowel will be medial to our hands. We want to make that distinction. So we want to get medial to the large bowel, let our fingers sink in, and then we are going to direct a tug or a pull, again without discomfort, up towards the hepatic flexure, perpendicular to the root of the mesentery at that 45-degree angle, until we feel a barrier. And we're going to hold the barrier there. And if we find a specific restriction, we can do that. Also, when you find that barrier, you have an idea of where you can rhythmically oscillate this area. So we can just pull up, come back, pull up. And the sequence is you're going to let your fingers sink down first to gather up as much small bowel, thus impacting the mesenteric root, before you start pulling towards the hepatic flexure. And again, we do this repeatedly until we feel a release.